You heard that Comcast's offer was superior to the Disney offer, right? Why didn't that go through? And that probably didn't sit well with Brian Roberts. So then he decides, let's try Sky. But in the back of his mind, is he thinking about if AT&T, if that goes through, is he really thinking about going back and bidding for the whole thing? Do you think how does it finally play out?
Let me tell you why I love this. Okay, we've been in Europe, Latin America, and around the world for the last 25 years. We are in 220 countries. In Europe, we're the leader in sport. We're the leader in nonfiction. We're the biggest media company in Europe. We're the biggest media company. We beat Disney with kids in Latin America and with women. So we have huge scale in Europe and in Latin America. The idea that Brian and Comcast, one of the finest, one of the smartest guys in our business, is saying, I want to get some chips over in Europe. Sky's a great company, but part of that is I need some IP. I want 25% of my revenues to be in Europe. Disney is saying, I need to be more global. You know what I say? Come on in. The water's warm. I've been there for...
Who's going to get it? And
but what it says is our position in Europe. And
Enough
our position
about me.
in
Let's
Latin
talk about
America.
me. Let's talk about Comcast. Stop talking about Discovery.
I'm here to talk about Discovery.
Does Comcast get Sky? Does it go after? Does it thwart the whole Disney deal and get all of it? What do you think? How does it finally happen?
Does Disney re-up the bid?
Yeah.
Well, I think they probably have to react. It's a 17 multiple. What it says is IP and some scale in Europe. And remember, Sky is the UK, and it's Sky Deutschland in Germany, which is about 3 million subs, and it's Sky Italia. It's primarily a very compelling business in the UK. It's got good IP.
You don't want to insult anybody. Who's the better bidder for this? Is it Disney
great.
or is it?
This sounds like Gulf War.
I think they're both formidable, and it's going to be what it says is that there's not that many great scale IP assets. The other thing that people don't focus on with Sky is that they have a platform called Sky Now. You mentioned Hulu. Okay, Sky Now is a fantastic direct-to-consumer product that they've developed. So when you acquire Sky, you get distribution, you get IP, but you also get a direct-to-consumer business and a platform. And I think when Disney looks at that, they say that's something special. When Brian looks at that, he says, I got scale on a direct-to-consumer platform. We look at it, we do business with them, and we say that's a best-of-class direct-to-consumer platform, which is hard to build from scratch. So I think it just reinforces, I think, that where we're playing and where we've been for a long time is an important place to have scale. It's an important place to have competency. And it reinforces for us that we've been doing the right thing by spending a lot of money in Europe and Latin America.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.